Hello everyone. Today, we are diving into the world of content marketing and exploring the incredible benefits it brings to businesses. So, let's get started. First up, content marketing boosts brand visibility. By creating valuable and relevant content, you increase your chances of being discovered by your target audience. Content establishes you as an authority in your industry. When you consistently provide helpful information, your audience sees you as a reliable source, building trust and credibility. Engaging content sparks conversations. Whether it's through blog posts, videos, or social media, content marketing creates opportunities for meaningful interactions with your audience. Search engines love fresh, relevant content. Content marketing helps improve your website's SEO, making it more likely for your business to appear in search results. Content is a powerful tool for lead generation. Through strategically placed call to actions, you can turn interested viewer into potential customers. Compared to traditional advertising, content marketing is cost-effective. Quality content has a longer lifespan, continually bringing in value over time. Content marketing provides valuable analytics. You can track what works and what doesn't, allowing you to refine your strategy for better results. Building relationships is key. Consistent, valuable content keeps your audience coming back for more, fostering long-term relationships and customer loyalty. Now that you know the incredible benefits of content marketing, imagine what it could do for your business. We are offering a free consultation to help you unlock the full potential of your content strategy. Click the link below to schedule your consultation today. Thank you for watching. Don't miss out on the opportunities content marketing can bring. Click the link, schedule your free consultation, and let's take your business to new heights together. See you there.